Hey guys, Samsung is going to surprise us with Samsung Galaxy M40, a punch-hole display camera smartphone. This is a triple rear camera smartphone which is priced at $20,300 in the international market. Is this a really oh my god device, or it get failed when it is compared with a Realme X and Redmi K20 Pro? So here are the 5 reasons that you must skip it and wait for K20 and Realme X. Let's start. Samsung smartphone lovers may hate this video, but it is observations made by comparing the specifications of Redmi K20, Realme X and Galaxy M40. It is left to you which phone you choose for the price you are spending. Samsung has used Snapdragon 675 processor in this smartphone instead of Samsung Exynos processor. Snapdragon 675 is an older processor where we can find an Snapdragon 710 and Snapdragon 730 in Redmi K20 and Realme X. So those two smartphones are powerful than Samsung Galaxy M40. If the final leaked specification is to be believed, this phone is not coming with the AMOLED display. Yes, IPS LCD display is given with full HD plus resolution, whereas Realme X and Redmi K20 is coming with an AMOLED display that gives users an immersive display experience. The battery is the main reason why you have to skip it. So Galaxy M series is known for their huge batteries. M30 was given a 5000 mAh of battery, but here the battery is cut down to 3500 mAh with fast charging is given, but that fast charging is not as fast as VOOC charging and quick charge in Redmi. So here the charging and the battery is the reason why you have to skip it. Samsung has provided an rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. There is no in-display fingerprint scanner, even though this phone is coming with a price range of $300 or 20,000 Indian rupees, whereas Realme X and K20 Pro are offering the next generation in-display fingerprint scanner. The next reason is its price. Samsung Galaxy M40 is coming at a price range of rupees $20,300 in the international market, whereas Realme X, which offers more advanced specification than this phone, is coming at a price range of $250 or 16,000 Indian rupees, whereas the powerful Redmi K20 is coming with the same price range, but it has offered a great specification for which it is a value for money phone. Other than these drawbacks, Samsung Galaxy M40 is definitely a best device, a reliable device from a reliable company called Samsung. So you can buy this phone for rupees 20,000, which is launching on June 11. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.